Hello, welcome to LCG's look ahead to the key events and markets for the week starting February the 6th, 2017. Now, after a week chock full of economic data last week, things are looking a bit lighter this week, with the main focus being trade data from China and the UK, as well as industrial production data from the UK and Germany. Now, in weeks like these that don't have such large event risk when investors will start to build or remove positions, it's also when the biggest surprises typically happen. Now, we will focus on the downtrend in the US dollar so far in 2017 and whether it can continue into this week and going forward. First, let's recap the latest economic data for the US. GDP growth slowed in the fourth quarter to 2.2%, even missing expectations. Core US CPI hit 2.2% in December, but the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, which is core PCE, remained at 1.7%. Now, the Fed left interest rates unchanged and gave us a pretty neutral statement at their February meeting. Finally, non-farm payrolls today saw jobs beat expectations, but there was disappointment on wage growth. Conversely, looking at the euro, the second most actively traded currency in the world, the trend has been, as is mostly the case, opposite to the US dollar index. Now, the eurozone expanded by 1.8% year-on-year in the fourth quarter, which was in line with expectations. Unemployment remains stubbornly high, but there has been a dramatic uplift in inflation, which reached 1.8% year-over-year in January. Now, the ECB, for its part, downplayed the higher inflation, insisting it will carry out its full quantitative easing program. Now, clearly the economic outlook for the US is better than the Eurozone, but is it really so much better that the Federal Reserve and the ECB monetary policy should diverge so noticeably? We don't think so, and that's why we favour a recovery in the euro over the medium term. Taking a look at the US dollar index on a 4-hour chart, the trend is clearly down and the key 100 level doesn't yet appear to have generated fresh demand. Then switching over to this euro dollar 4-hour chart, the trend is higher, and while it holds above support near 106.50, we tend to favour further strength in the euro, with a possible retest of 108.70, which is the August 2016 peak. Now, that's it from LCG's Week Ahead. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck trading this week.